morning, family. So today we're gonna be taking out the That's right, I forgot. It's still in the shop. Alright, so we're currently in my girl's car, and although we don't have the SI, we should actually be receiving it back, I think, by the time we post this video. So expect some SI content later on this week. Aside from that, we're actually gonna meet up with Anthony today and his Nintendo Blue Type R, as I like to call it. But we're actually gonna line his car up against a 2021 Supra, which I'm actually really excited about. Now his is of course tuned and full bolt-ons, but they make pretty much the same amount of power between both cars. The Supra is stock because the stock Supra and the stock Type R do not make the same amount of power. But with Anthony actually being tuned in full bolt-ons, it's pretty much close. I know the 2021 Supras are pretty quick, especially with the automatic transmission. So I don't know who's gonna prevail, I don't know who's gonna take the W, but I think it's gonna be a pretty exciting comparison to see the two cars. Now, before we actually dive into that too, I would love to see your guys' guess on who you guys think may take the W. Will it be the Supra or will it be the Type R? Comment down below.
Oh, dang.
We're not taking that?
What? You wanna take that one
I thought we were racing with that.
So we got the GoPros, guys. We're gonna see, hey, honestly though, they called.
Yeah.
And I don't know, they might bail out.
What?
I don't know, we'll see.
What do you mean?
Just kidding.
Are you ready? Look at this sign. Copyrighted music.
Hey, hey. So we just got here, and here is the Supra. I've actually never really seen one in person, all up too close. This beautiful blue color looks nice. And so hopefully we'll get a run in today with it. Still brand new 2021 GR. Fresh. Honestly, I know a lot of you guys too were commenting and want me to pick up one for the channel. I'm sorry to be that guy, but it's not gonna happen, guys. There is a car that I do have in mind, but it is not the Supra. So I'm sorry for everybody who is hoping that it is. And then we have Anthony's Type R. Looks very stock under the hood. Yep. But I don't know if you guys actually seen that. I don't remember last time in the last vlog if you guys saw the change, but he now has the carbon hood on there and he wrapped it, so we got the carbon bits showing. But it looks super clean. Hopefully we get a run in between the two. It's funny because they're basically both blue, and we'll see what the outcome comes to be. Woo. So there's a thumbnail, the face off. Who do you guys think is gonna take it? All right, so we got pretty much crowded. We're gonna go ride with the Supra a little bit just to get some in cabin. I've never rode in a Supra before, so we'll get some clips. Oh yeah. So I might have told you guys I may not get a Supra, but things may change now. Alrighty guys, so sorry for coming to an abrupt end for the video. I didn't really film much after the fact, but I felt like we got some pretty good clips between the two cars. Now I feel like this was a great race, especially comparison between the two. I know the Type R is modified, guys, compared to the stock Supra, but again, the Supra makes a lot more power than the stock Type R does. So I felt like this was going to be a much better match between the two cars. Of course, the Type R came up with a W at the end, and of course with a few bolt-ons and a tune on the Supra, it can definitely blow the Type R out of the waters. Also keep in mind, guys, a 2021 Supra makes 388 wheel horsepower, that's already been proven on the dyno, and 421 foot-pounds of torque. What they've said on paper for crank, which was 385 I believe, is a lie. And I know BMW does that a lot, and yes, I'm saying BMW because this car is partial BMW, but they undervalue the amount of power that their cars make. So it was great to see how the Type R holds up against such a car. I do want to leave you guys off with one note before I let you all go, but just save the date. This Saturday, 12/26 at 10:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, we are having the PhongVLG
revamp drop. And the revamp drop is going to be our biggest drop of the year. It will also be our last drop, of course, of the year. But there are going to be a lot of changes, not only to the site, but with merch as well. So stay tuned for that. I don't want to say much. I do have a little bit of a teaser on the site, of course, but you guys can kind of guess on what may come to the site. So thank you guys again for the ongoing love and support with the channel. We're gonna get a lot more content. We're actually picking up, just confirmed to, the SI on Wednesday, and we'll finally be back on the road with the SI. So I'll see you guys then. As always, guys, keep grinding, stay humble, and yeah that. Take care, guys.
Hey, check this out real quick. Ready? Fuck yeah, I'm gonna do it.
And it goes a little something like